Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So we're starting out the video here at Macville Terrace Total Gas Station. We're right at the foot of Red Hills Road, but we're gonna go on to Molynes Road. So it's another driving video, guys. Stay tuned, watch to the end as well. So you know the drill by now. If you're new to the channel, if you haven't yet subscribed, definitely subscribe, guys. If that subscribe button is still gray, just click on it and turn it red. Remember to like the video as well, and remember to leave a comment. So we're gonna take the right turn here. This is a community that I've never driven in before with you guys. So we're just taking a pass through this community right off Molynes Road. So this is designed like a cul-de-sac. Not the best of roads, but it's a minor community right off Molynes Road. When we're finished here, we'll go back on Molynes Road, which is the main. And then we'll go on to Tunbridge Drive. So as usual, guys, if you're familiar with these community, if you grew up on this community or this road, let me know. If you're still living in this community, let me know as well. And remember to leave your comments at the end. Remember to like the video and definitely share the video as well. So it's a cul-de-sac, so we're out back on Molynes. Don't forget our sponsor, guys. So Kris and Charles, they have partnered with the channel, as you guys know. I've mentioned this a few videos now, so remember to go over to their Instagram page, their Facebook page, follow them. Check out their website as well. They have all different type of loans: construction loan, car loan, home equity loan. So any loan you're interested in, give Kris and Charles Investment Company Limited a buzz. I'm sure they'll take care of you guys. Can even let them know that Rush sent you. You know, they have a branch, a physical branch in every parish, and you also can reach them via email, via phone call. So give them a buzz, guys. So whatever your loan needs are, check Kris and Charles Investment Company Limited. They are partnering with the channel for a few weeks. So I want you guys to definitely show them some love. So Kris and Charles. And I want to see how many of you guys are really in tune with the channel. Let's see how many persons can tell me the name of this road or this community that we are coming out of. Let me know, guys. So we're back on Molynes. So we're gonna go down to another turning, which is Tunbridge Drive, and then this will lead us back to, so it's also called Meadowbrook Park, but this will lead us back to Queensborough as well. So on the right is Solo Way. Again, this is Tunbridge Drive. Then we have Diplomatic Close on the left, and this is right off basically the end of Molynes Road. That's the section Embers Way on the left. So that's the section of Molynes Road which meets the foot of Red Hills Road. So that's giving you guys an idea of where we are today. So it's another community drive. From time to time I'll give you guys a community drive. I'll give you guys construction updates, apartment reviews, new apartments for sales, hotel reviews. So we try to keep the content versatile on the channel. Alright, so we're basically in the Queensborough community now. So we're in Queensborough Gardens. Still on Tunbridge Drive though. Alright, and again guys, leave your comment if you're from Queensborough, grew up in Queensborough, living in Queensborough, let me know as well. They have a community park right here on the left. So it's another driving video. Remember to like the video guys, and just leave a comment while watching. If you see a house color you like, leave a comment. If you see a vehicle you like, leave a comment guys. Alright, so continue to enjoy the drive. So we'll take the left right here on Queensborough Drive, and this will bring us back onto Molynes Road. What I'll do as well guys, I did a more in-depth video of Queensborough. I'll put that in the description for you guys, so you can check out that video of Queensborough if you haven't yet done so. But we're coming from Molynes Road, basically foot of Red Hills Road. We're now in Queensborough, and we're also coming from Tunbridge Drive. And then we're gonna cross Molynes Road over onto Fairdene Drive. So this is Molynes Road in front of us. So we'll go across onto Fairdene Drive. And then Fairdene Drive will bring it back onto Red Hills Road. So just showing you guys around the place. A lot of time you guys may not be able to travel all over Jamaica, but I am hoping that this channel can help you guys to see a lot of new places, learn a lot of new routes, get to see where some roads lead. And we know a lot more content is to come, so you just have to stay tuned, subscribe, turn on your bell notification for all videos, so once I do an upload you get an alert. And remember to go over my Instagram page, Raymore Reviews-JA. So we just passed an apartment complex on the left, so Raymore Reviews-JA, and follow me on Instagram as well. Remember to show Kris and Charles Investment some love. Whether you or someone else interested in a loan, let them be your first stop. They have some great deals. They have a loan promotion this month where you can get up to $1 million. So give them a buzz guys. So we're approaching Red Hills Road, and we'll basically end the video there. So in front of me is a Seventh-day Adventist church right here in Price Right. Alright guys, so remember to comment and like the video, and just let me know what you think about this drive. So thanks for watching as usual guys, really love the support. Alright, so some of these yellow buses going up to the Red Hills, way up in the hills. Alright guys, so see you on another video.